Do you want to hear music on the stream? All right, where am I? I haven't worked on this for the whole week, so I kind of forgot where I am. Very proud of the streams. Thank you, man. We're making slow but steady progress here. And happy Friday. How was your week? Make switch between equipment menu and inventory possible. What did that even mean? Oh yeah, with the gear. I think that's it. Make movement of items between equipment menu and inventory possible. Awesome. Good to hear, man. Let me try with some music. I really feel like listening to some music. Do you know this guy? Boris Brescia? He's the GOAT. And by the way, I wanted to start up by saying, hot damn, I love you guys. Now we can start the stream. He's amazing. Elon said that on the on the shareholder meeting. Did you see it? There was this. Yeah, here is Elon Musk. He's so funny. He's a meme lord.
Hey guys. Welcome to the Tesla shareholder meeting.
Hold.
And I just want to start off by saying, hot damn, I love you guys.
This guy.
Yeah. We have the most awesome shareholder base. I mean, it's just incredible. Any public company, it's incredible. Wow.
What they just did. Yeah, so you saw it. Cool. So what they did today, it's record breaking. So Boris Brescia, he's having these concerts at really cool locations. I haven't seen this one before. But he's done it from like what's it called, Versailles, the castle in France. Yeah. How is the sound now, by the way? When I'm talking and you hear the music, is it like too loud music or is it okay? It's all fine? Cool. Right. Maybe I should become a streaming DJ instead. Okay, can reduce it a little bit. This reminds me of a scene from what is it called? There's this bad TV show about Roman gladiators and stuff. What is it called again? Spartacus, I think. Actually watching on YouTube, muted Twitch, but still talking through it because YouTube broke their chat. Oh, okay. Spartacus, yeah. So how come you're watching through YouTube? No ads? Is that why? YouTube basically has faster streams, relay kind of thing that makes it a few seconds slower. Oh, okay. So YouTube is more... Oh yeah, there's basically less delay from when I'm doing this in reality until you see it on your screen. I guess that's what you mean. So this is where we are at. I mean, it's the same as at the end of last stream. There is an equipment menu down to the left. There is an inventory up here. There's a crafting menu. And now I want to make it so that we can move stuff into our equipped item slots. Style of the inventory feels quite unintrusive but still accessible. Yeah, right? Thank you. I'm kinda happy with it too. It's very, very simplistic, but yeah. Well, something we can add... I'm gonna try to add something like a small little win that's gonna add some more like sense of quality, I think, to the game. Add item description for the stone spear. I'm gonna listen to this music once. I'm gonna open up the stream and listen how loud it is, just so I get a sense for it. I see, so like when I open OBS, I can see that my voice goes further than the music, so it should be louder, but I just want to hear it once. I'm gonna mute myself. But first I need to talk to be able to test it, of course. Yeah, pretty perfect actually. It's good. It's good. All right. Add item description for the stone spear. Like the vibe. Like the dude's music. Yeah, I really like this stuff. I first heard him like, yeah, it's a few years ago now. And he's stuck with me since then. Like, I never get tired of his music. I can listen on it on repeat. It's pretty dark. It's pretty rough. But it's, yeah, it has something. So I think I need to add the description here somewhere. There's a... I like Daft Punk. Can hear a bit of their essence in this, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Tooltip. Inventory tooltip. There we have it. And then item description, yeah. So I don't set it from here. Probably from inventory then. All right, let's have a search in VS Code. Yeah, here we go. Inventory item. Right, so it's in on every item. Oh no, there it is, the item description. Okay, so we're already setting it, but it's just empty. So... description in item data. Description, okay, so let's just set the description then. Description. A blunt spear crafted by the dark trolls deep in the forest. Okay. And how does that look? Okay, so this needs to be fixed. Blunt spear crafted by the dark trolls deep in the forest. I mean, that's not too much, right? So not too much text, but it needs to fit. I mean, I could probably actually do it here. Let's just write whatever I wrote there. And then let's make it so that it fits. Auto wrap mode, yes. Arbitrary. Word smart. If set to something other than auto wrap off, gets wrapped inside the node's bounding rectangle. It will change its height automatically to show all the text. Okay, so can I resize this now? Yes, perfect, okay. It would be great if this just resizes with the text. Label settings. Shadow, font, no. I would ideally like the background to just, you know, grow with all of this wrap. Wait, no, that's tooltip. Localization. Make background. Control background wrap. Moving responsive background.
Well, today I'm gonna show you how you can make this cool UI effect where background moves in response to your mouse position, and trust me, it is super quick and easy to make. So first of all, I have this very simple UI.
Moving responsive background. No.
Control node in the node.
GDScript box at resizes based on content. Yes. The box container. It must be doable in some way. Maybe there is some other type of node that I can use for this. So what's a panel? Displays a style box. Base class for drawing stylized boxes. Maybe that's what I should have. A panel instead of a background. Panel. Layout. Theme. How do I set the background? Add. Type. Manage items. Add type. Okay, new style box. Okay, good. Let's give this the same color. And so what happens if we put a label in here? No, it doesn't wrap. Okay, set background color of label. GDScript. Style box. Okay, maybe it's possible to do that. Theme overrides. Colors. Font. Shadow. Styles. Okay, maybe this. Yes, okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, okay, I think that's what word wrap was. You see, it's just wrapping the letters. What's smart? I guess smart sounds good. Do-do-do. 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 Lines skipped. Okay, maybe this is gonna work. Are you going to be doing anything over the incoming summer? Yeah. I'm gonna have like, yeah, some vacation, and then I'm gonna go to southern Sweden, to Österlen. Yeah, just being with like family and friends for a while. And I think I will be in Stockholm quite a bit as well. I'm gonna try to make time for this as well. And what about you? Yeah, thank you. I agree. What about you? Do you have any good plans for the summer? Word justification, Kashida justification. Going to Dublin for a week. And New Zealand. Nice. I've been to neither of those places. Have you been there before? So this is kind of working now, but I want to make it description. I want to make it smaller now. Like this. It's not exactly right. Not there either. Been to Dublin when you were very young? Basically not. Your family is coming to Dublin because it would be hard to get to Dublin and New Zealand. Can you remind me where you're from? Is it the US? Or was it UK? I don't remember. Sorry for that. Oh, you're from Northern Ireland. Okay. So neither of my guesses were right. None of my guesses were right. Okay, cool. So now it actually expands like this. Oh, it is in the UK. Okay, I didn't know that. I was right, yeah. I shouldn't have said anything. Should have been quiet after I said those countries. It would be nice to make really good music for the game. Make like music part of the attraction. Maybe techno wouldn't be a good fit for this type of game, but still. Okay, so that is done. And add description on stone sphere. C418 in Minecraft. I don't know what that is. The guy who made the MC music. Oh, Minecraft music. Okay. I don't even know how the Minecraft music is. Is it good? C418. Playlist. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah. I'm almost crying over here. Wow. That's good stuff. Oh my god. Yeah. There's maybe a mix between this and that. Hey Jet, welcome. Maybe a bit more drums and then stuff like the MC music, yeah. I think music could for sure be a good what do you say, separating factor, or like a unique selling point of a game if it's good. How are you doing, Jet? Happy Friday. I need to read the code again. So there is an inventory. But no, this is the inventory logic. No, we have an inventory data list here, or array. I think this is why I stopped last weekend, or like this is where it stopped. Like I overcomplicated the data structures here a bit, I think. Oh, maybe if I do right click, I can just move it between them. Yeah, that's something I'm gonna try. Oh, okay. Nice. Do you want to share? What? Yeah, that's hopeful. I hope it can help you. That would be amazing. I mean, I could let it know if it's in the inventory or in the... no, it shouldn't have to know that. That's not good design. This should just send a signal to... Oops. So this is in the inventory item object. Okay. Awesome. Looking forward to hear how that is going. Hopefully it would be great if it can help you. If it's the right thing. Like if they found the right thing to solve. So when are you getting it? Tomorrow? So if inventory item can send up, like, let's call it signal, and this signal should be saying I got right clicked, and it should send this up to inventory or equipment object, and then this should move object to other equipment or inventory. Yeah, it's crazy. It's like, that's my experience too. Like, feels like most things can lead to like the one thing can lead to many different diagnoses, or like feels like it depends a lot on the background of the doctor and like their what they go into it with, like if they have any preconceptions or something. But I can understand it because it's not easy. It's not like with what do you say, regular medicine where you can take like a blood test and then you get the answer. Like psychology and the mind is much more complex than that. It's much harder to diagnose, is what I've heard. Okay, so let's send up this signal. Send signal up to the current inventory. So this is gonna start sending a signal. Unfortunately, they're not all in the same tree, so it's gonna be very messy to do it with code. What do you think of this kind of music, Jet? But okay, let's go all the way up to the inventory. Right mouse clicked on item, and then we set up self. The music sucks. What? Do you have no taste in music, Gitner? Nice, but not your thing. Yeah. I thought that's gonna be the problem. Like, usually when I look at streams, it's awesome if the streamer have a good taste in music. Or like my taste in music. Because then I get some inspiration and can find some new music. But if it's just like different than my taste, it's like a repellent. Like, I'm not gonna watch it. Even though I like the stream. Okay, I'm gonna pause it then. If the people have talked, the people have spoken. Game shouldn't have too opinionated music. Yeah, I get what you mean. And there is this like less opinionated music, like I guess this. Or these lo-fi radio station. But this is also like very generic. It's not being opinionated kind of means boring also. Previous in particular kind of makes head hurt. Okay. Yeah, people have different tastes, that's for sure. So there was someone who made a really nice lo-fi version of World of Warcraft game music. That's really nice. This guy, Bits and Hits. This is good stuff. Like Lion's Pride. If you've played World of Warcraft, you know why I think this is very good. Seen a lot of games do this thing where they have a very intense techno music even though the game isn't like that. Yeah, totally. What is World of Warcraft? Yeah, I wondered that too. I have no idea. It's apparently some game, like a 2-decade-old game. I don't know who plays it. You don't think game music should be good as standalone music? More important to make it mix into the game world. I don't think I agree. I think game music, it's kind of like movie music. Like if you make it right, it's gonna be defining the game. Like some movies has, like the music is kind of defining the movie. Like it's enhancing the experience. Wait, button pressed signal. Okay, bunk. This is starting to get a bit messy. But there are games, like World of Warcraft music is amazing. I mean, they're not built around music, but if you listen to like Hans Zimmer or like, I don't know, Lion King, just enhances the experience. Maybe this is a good background while coding. Just some World of Warcraft ambience. But there's a risk I'm gonna start getting itches for to start playing if I listen to this. Right mouse clicked on item. Right mouse clicked on item. Item. Right clicked on. Item. Since movies have set scenario, it's easier to fit it. Games are not as defined. Yeah, that's true. You're kind of making your own story. I really enjoy having music on the stream though. It feels... I don't know, it adds a mood. By saying I don't think game music should be good as standalone music, I meant not by the same criteria. Good game music is not the same as good standalone music. Okay. Different purpose. Yeah, I mean, you're right. Okay, I think I get what you mean now. Something that would be good if you're sitting in your car might not be good as game music, because it takes too much attention or something. Yeah, I think game music should be more ambient, like more repetitive. Like this music we have in the background now, for example. Okay, so that signal is now picked up. From inventory. Now let's go to equipment menu. From equipment menu. I mean, don't do this at home. This coding I'm doing now, it's not recommended. Okay. Nice. So it takes the signal. Now we can do something with it. They need to be siblings. They need to find each other. Inventory should be get parent dot inventory. Yeah. And inventory gets you like the music? Nice. Yeah, me too. And then we should probably have something similar, like add attempt to pick up in equipment. To pick up item. Okay, music is nice, but I'm not getting anything done while listening to this music. Let's pause it for a while. Okay, so what happens here? Inventory update GUI. Right, update GUI, that's the key here. We're gonna have to have a similar function in here. God, this is getting so messy. Same happens to you? Yeah. It's nice though. Feels good. I've listened to music very little lately. But it's actually so nice. Should do it more often. Inventory GUI. Where is the inventory GUI? Or maybe I can just wait. Wait, it's Control P. Yeah, I need to instantiate a scene. Get texture for item, get count for item. All of this stuff should be shared logic though. I think I just need to refactor because I'm just rewriting and copying code here. I'm gonna add that here. Refactor inventory and equipment classes to use the same reuse stuff like update GUI attempt to pick up. So maybe there's gonna be a inventory and it has and a equipment part of it. That in turn will just be inventory array, and there will be an equipment array, no, inventory array. Maybe these both should be part of the same object, which is a... So what could be the superset of inventory and equipment? You have an inventory, you have equipment, you have an item manager, perhaps. Item manager. And the item manager contains these two. No. And then the item manager can also paint the or render the inventory and the equipment. And they're both using inventory items as representations of whatever is in the array up here. But the action happens in here. And then these are just renderings of that. And then these, in turn, can send signals up to the manager. Wait, no. What are you doing? Signals. This is much better architecture. Signals. What do you guys think? Then we can start sending stuff back and forth here. Like that. You think it makes sense? Yeah. I think this is going to be a lot cleaner. It's going to require some refactoring, but I think when it's done, it's going to be much easier, because then we can just right-click something here or like move something, and we get a signal, and it tells the item manager how to move the data in the arrays, and then it just update GUI, update GUI, update GUI, and then there's like a good back and forth here. And then we could potentially also add to the item manager stuff like a stash, and those could also interoperate. Like that's also just an array, just a separate GUI that we can open and so on. Yeah, that's how I'm thinking about it right now. The killer of spaghetti code. Yeah, that's me right here. Spaghetti code killer. That could be my hip-hop name. Maywake, aka Spaghetti Code Killer. Sounds like a superhero, right? Yeah. You're right. The kind of superhero everyone wants to be. And everyone wants to have him or her. in your project, data structures are pain. They're holding you for 2 weeks. Oh, wow. Yeah. Data structures. My respect for data structures is just growing. And like doing diagrams like this, it just helps so much. Item manager. Item manager. How can I save this? Save. It's not allowing me to save it. Okay. Save. Item manager.gd. Oh no, let's call it with capital letters. How is your project going, Jet, by the way? The one you were talking about, that you're trying to build some chatbot of some kind. It's not going. Oh, you need to remake the data structure. That's tough. Oh. Control 1, 2. Okay. Inventory array. Bar. Bar. Inventory. Bar. Equipment array. And this one should have like attempt to pick up Can't attempt to equip. Attempt to unequip. And that should just move whatever item from this we're trying to unequip into inventory if there is space. And the other way around, when we're attempting to equip something, we need to ensure that we are able to use it. You have a sketch of all the main relations. Free to commit to it. I don't want to remake it one more time. Yeah, I know the feeling all too well. I mean, maybe you can, I don't know, try to carve out smaller steps or something. And like refactor instead of doing it from scratch. Do, 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 do. Gotta go. Pre-sleep things and sleep. Okay, man. Good luck. I hope you're starting to feel better, and best of luck with the medication. I hope it helps. And talk to you next time. Hope you get some good sleep. Sleep is like the #1 thing. Cool. Yeah, I'm also gonna call it, actually. It's a bit of a shorter stream today, but I'm glad I came in and started again. It's always a bit rougher, you know, when you've been gone for a few days and you're like, okay, I don't even know where I'm at, where's the project, like, gotta get into the code again. But I did some progress today. There's a good plan now what to do. And yeah, added item description for one item at least. So yeah, and premiered some music on stream. If I will be doing the marathon stream over the weekend, yes, I'm considering it. Will you be there? I don't know which day is going to be best to do it. Maybe tomorrow or tomorrow might be the best day to do it. Of course you'll be there, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try it tomorrow. 12 hours is the target. God damn it. I'm so weak. It's so hard for me to say no to a challenge. Cool. All right. Better get some sleep then. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.